Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're back here with a new video. Right here I got my car and my boys Accord 2.0. So in this video we're gonna be recording a 60 to 130 runs on the Draggy and see what the Accord does. As you guys may know, this thing is full bolt-ons, Accord turbo, and it's making 400 wheel. It's a 10-speed. So we're gonna go to Mexico and see what it does. Alright, so here's the engine setup right here. As you can see, full bolt-ons, Accord turbo, and it's running on 830. So here he has the Draggy all set and ready on his phone. So he's gonna go and see. Maybe last time he did it in the winter, he did get like 12 seconds flat, and it was very cold. So hopefully he sees 11s now, mid 11s or row 11s. So he's gonna be recording with his camera, and let's see how it does.
So there's a lot of cars here. So right now we're in Mexico. As you can tell, we did the first one, but there's a lot of cars. I'm gonna try to see if I can go a little more farther and see if we could do a better video and a better. I did not hit 130. I should have waited a little more, but there's a lot of cars here. So let's see what we can do.